Would not want my house right underneath the radio tower like that, or airport tower, whatever it is. No way. Well, try to block some of that wind. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm getting spit on a little bit by those clouds up there. Just taking a little country ride. If it rains too much on me, I'm gonna have to turn the camera off, put it away. I don't have my waterproof case on. Got the mic on today. Pretty nice houses out here in nowhere. Well maintained. According to the GPS up here off of the road next to the highway, there's supposed to be appears to be an off-road track of some sort. I don't know if it's privately owned, but I'm going to try to check it out. If I can find an entrance to it. And that rain holds off. It's in between here and the highway over there. For sale. Down tree in front of that trail. I'm gonna turn in the driveway here just to get these cars off my bumper. Figure out where I'm going. It looks like it. Well, hard to tell. There's the water, so yeah, I passed it already. I have no idea how to get in there. So it might be private property. So I guess we'll just do a little drive. See what else we can find. Clouds. Well, guess as long as it's just a little spitting on me a little, the GoPro should be alright. I don't want to burn it up, being expensive. Left home there was no rain clouds at all. Still haven't found anybody that wants to do any off-roading. And no comments about doing any of that. And I haven't found, there's a couple guys around me that drive enduros, but they're always driving by. Can't really flag them down. Well, I guess I could, but hopefully that don't get too wet. like dry roads ahead, so I'm going to be pulling out of it. There we go. Dry road. I don't want to wreck my camera. This is South Division. A lot of used car dealers down this way. I don't know if they're worth anything down this way. If you want to find a semi-cheaper car, this is where you usually go. In this location. Well, since I can't find that trail, I guess we'll just head back home. Maybe one of these weekends I'll make it up north before the snow flies. Do a little trail riding up there. I got some state land. See how those clouds over there. Coming over there as well. It's probably time to go home anyways. Can't go that way. Big fence over there. Much going on around here today. Sunday. A lot of people sitting home. They just had a whole bunch onto that school this summer. A whole bunch. We got gonna take a ride out here on Friday night to see all the cars out here at the restaurants and stuff. Classic cars. Not a lot of bikes out today either. This off a second and then restart it just so I can do a little editing. What are we doing? 25 miles, 30 miles an hour? Catch a red. Seat's getting a little, for how soft it is, it's getting a little rough to sit on. Got 400 kilometers on here. Yep, 400 kilometers. Just getting broke in. Still got to replace the front shocks with some fork oil instead of the oil that's in there. It's kind of lags, sinks down too far. It's a Spanish Hispanic bus for migrant farm workers. Looks like they're gonna cut this off now. Maybe I'll turn it on going down the other street, but pretty slow right now. Stedman Boys and Girls Club. Huh. Didn't even know there was one of those here in Grand Rapids. Oh. Feel bad for people that gotta walk for groceries. I'm out just joyriding. I've been at the low point of life too. Walking to work, riding a bicycle in the rain, not a fun situation. At least when I had those situations, gas was very reasonable priced. Ride the bike around for a while, collecting cans, get a couple gallons of gas. Now today, that's impossible. Showing my age a little bit there. Madison Square Choices Barbecue. They're right there. Gonna have to stop one of these days, since it's not that far away from the house. Yeah, this seat's getting a little stiff. Gotta stand up.